Broad daylight bullets. 2 hit. Over $500,000 in exotic cars. All of it on surveillance video obtained exclusively by 7 News from October in ultra-quiet Bay Harbor Islands.
First time using paddle shifters. I can't wait to use it on my car. Yeah, this is how you open it. Pop this little latch. And then pop the door up. Get y'all to walk around real quick. Y'all see it. Let me open this one as well. Y'all see 570S. I like it though, it's cool. Only problem I got with this car is these damn brakes squeaking. They need to fix that shit. Yeah, here's the engine bay. Now I do not know what it might be. What, like a twin turbo or something? Yeah. More than likely is what it is. Y'all see it got a big diffuser. Let me pop the trunk. We got a nice big trunk actually. That's the trickle charger. Yeah, this is a real big trunk. Not real big, but big for this car, yes. For a front trunk, I feel like there's a lot of room. I feel like probably a whole suitcase in there. Yeah, let me step back so you can see it. Yeah, this joint look nice. And this is a wrap. Lime green wrap. He said they just got it wrapped, I think last week or something. Y'all want to hear a crazy story about this? This is the same Mclaren that Pooh Shiesty shot out of. When that video, when he was in Miami, he shot out of the McLaren with the Draco. This the one. This is the exact one. The guy told me himself. It's crazy, my man. I ain't gonna lie, I really mess with it though. And I feel like this is a realistic goal. 200K probably used, probably get a little less than that. Bluetooth. Ain't no space back here. I don't really know what this for. It really don't make sense to me. Let me see. So probably could put a bag right there, book bag. Got the orange seat belts. Yeah, I mess with it. I like it. Look, this guy just pulled up to take a picture of it. But yeah, I'm checking out for this video. My phone finna die, and I'm actually finna go enjoy myself for the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get up y'all with the next video. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.